Piston Pulse brings you an in-depth review of the 2026 Honda Civic, a compact sedan that combines sporty performance with everyday practicality. The 2026 Civic carries forward its sleek and refined design, featuring bold lines and a more aggressive stance. The front grille is wider, paired with sharp LED headlights, giving the car a more dynamic and modern look. The overall exterior design has been enhanced for better aerodynamics, ensuring improved fuel efficiency in a more stable ride. The Civic's sporty proportions, coupled with its precision-crafted body, make it stand out as a stylish option in the compact sedan segment. Inside, the 2026 Honda Civic offers a spacious and comfortable cabin with high-quality materials. The dashboard features a large digital display and an intuitive 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system supporting Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth connectivity. The system is user-friendly and offers quick response times, making it easy to control various media and navigation features. The interior also boasts ample legroom and headroom, providing comfort for both the driver and passengers. The seats are well cushioned and supportive, and the cabin is well insulated, offering a quiet driving experience even at higher speeds. The cargo space is generous for a sedan, allowing you to carry luggage and other essentials with ease. Under the hood, the 2026 Honda Civic offers a choice of powertrains, including a 2.0-liter naturally aspirated engine and a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine. The 2.0-liter engine is tuned for efficiency, delivering smooth power delivery and excellent fuel economy, while the turbocharged engine offers an exciting boost in performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Both engines are paired with either a continuously variable transmission (CVT) or a 6-speed manual, giving drivers the option to choose between a more laid-back driving experience or a more engaged and spirited drive. The handling is agile and responsive, making the Civic a joy to drive, whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. When it comes to safety, the 2026 Civic is packed with Honda's latest suite of safety features, known as Honda Sensing. Standard on all trims, this package includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and traffic sign recognition. These features are designed to provide extra peace of mind on the road and enhance the overall driving experience. In addition to these advanced systems, the Civic also comes with standard airbags, ABS with EBD, and a rear-view camera, ensuring the safety of both the driver and passengers in various driving conditions. The 2026 Honda Civic is also equipped with a well-tuned suspension system that strikes a balance between comfort and sportiness. The ride quality is smooth even on rough roads, while the steering is precise and offers excellent feedback. Whether you're driving in urban traffic or on winding roads, the Civic offers a confident and enjoyable driving experience. The car's fuel efficiency is another key benefit, making it an ideal choice for long commutes or road trips, with the turbocharged version offering impressive mileage figures. In conclusion, the 2026 Honda Civic continues to be a top choice in the compact sedan segment, offering a perfect blend of style, performance, and practicality. Whether you prioritize a smooth, comfortable ride or a more engaging driving experience, the Civic caters to a wide range of preferences. With its advanced technology, excellent safety features, and overall value, the 2026 Civic is a well-rounded option for anyone looking for a reliable and fun-to-drive sedan. Piston Pulse will keep you updated with all the latest car reviews and news, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.